Tired of that icy AC blast hitting you directly in the face while the rest of the room stays warm? It's a common comfort killer, but the fix is simpler than you think. Today, we're ranking 5 air deflectors that finally master your airflow. Welcome back. Grab yours through the links below. The number 5 product on our list is HMmagnets Powerful Magnetic Air Deflector. Standard vents often act like cold air cannons, blasting your face while leaving the rest of the room uncomfortably stagnant. This HMmagnets innovation ends that battle by using 5 neodymium magnets that lock onto your ceiling or wall with a grip that refuses to budge. It solves the invisible struggle of frozen toes and hot spots by redirecting airflow exactly where you need it, rather than where the builder happened to cut a hole. While cheaper plastic strips often warp or melt under high heat, this rugged build survives extreme temperatures ranging from deep frost to scorching levels. It adjusts from 2 to 16 inches, making it far more versatile than fixed-size covers that often leave gaps. This is an essential upgrade for families with sensitive infants or pet owners who want to keep their furry friends out of the direct draft. You gain total mastery over your indoor environment without picking up a single tool or damaging your surfaces. Transform your living space into a perfectly balanced sanctuary where the breeze finally follows your rules. At number 4 is WITFORMS Classic Adjustable Air Deflector. The invisible culprit behind your recurring summer colds and stiff necks is often the direct, biting blast of your split AC unit. This WITFORMS Classic design ends that physical discomfort by introducing crystal clear wings that diffuse harsh air currents into a gentle, room-filling glow. It addresses the common struggle of unbalanced room temperatures where one person freezes while another swelters just 5 feet away. With its 360-degree rotation, you can steer the breeze toward the ceiling or across the walls, ensuring total circulation without the localized chill. Unlike bulky magnetic shields that only fit metal vents, this adjustable rail extends up to 43 inches to wrap around almost any standard wall unit. It is nearly invisible once snapped into place, preserving your room's aesthetic while providing instant relief. This is a vital tool for parents of toddlers or office workers who sit directly in the line of fire. Redirect your climate today and enjoy a space that finally feels as balanced as it looks. The third one on our list is Home Intuition Air Deflector. Your HVAC system is likely working twice as hard as necessary simply because precious air is getting trapped behind furniture or lost in empty corners. This Home Intuition solution stops that silent energy drain by using heavy-duty magnetic grips that snap onto your registers in seconds. It solves the frustrating reality of a living room that stays hot while the vent under the couch is freezing, redirecting that wasted breeze into your actual living space. While flimsy alternatives often crack under high heat, this premium plastic build remains sturdy whether you are blasting winter warmth or summer chill. It adjusts from 10 to 15 inches, providing a tighter, more customized fit than standard one-size-fits-all models. This is a brilliant fix for budget-conscious homeowners looking to lower utility bills while protecting delicate houseplants from direct drafts. You are choosing a more efficient way to breathe, ensuring every cent spent on climate control actually reaches your skin. Finally, feel the difference of a home where every vent works for you. On number 2 is HOPYANE Magnetic Air Deflector. A single poorly placed vent can turn your cozy reading nook into an unbearable wind tunnel, effectively stealing the comfort you pay for every month. This HOPYANE innovation halts that intrusion by using high-grade polycarbonate that is virtually unbreakable and crystal clear. It addresses the common headache of flimsy covers that crack under pressure, offering a robust 2.5 mm thickness that handles intense temperature shifts without chipping. While basic plastic shields often obstruct your room's decor, This transparent design vanishes against your walls while redirecting airflow from 9 to 15.5 inches. It utilizes powerful integrated magnets to anchor onto your registers, ensuring that even the strongest vac blast won't knock it loose. This is a must-have for light sleepers who are tired of being woken up by a direct icy breeze hitting their face at midnight. You are investing in a more intentional way to live, ensuring every gust of air serves your comfort rather than disrupting it. Experience the calm of a perfectly tempered room that stays exactly how you want it. Now moving to the last one is EKOCSIO Adjustable Air Deflector. The startling truth is that most central air systems waste up to 30% of their cooling power by blowing air into empty voids or behind heavy curtains. This EKOCSIO dual-part expandable shield tackles that inefficiency head-on by forcing the breeze to move where you actually live and breathe. It solves the daily frustration of shivering in one chair while sweating in another by providing a clear, unbreakable barrier that redirects flow with surgical precision. While some magnetic options feel loose, this design offers a rare hybrid mounting system using both high-strength magnets and screw slots for a permanent vibration-free fit. It telescopes effortlessly to match various register sizes, making it far more adaptable than fixed width covers found in hardware stores. This is the ultimate fix for office workers sitting under harsh ceiling vents or parents wanting to shield a nursery from sudden drafts. You are choosing a path to total environmental harmony without expensive HVAC modifications or constant thermostat battles. Embrace the serenity of a home where the temperature finally feels natural and intentional. Among all the winter, the HOPYANE magnetic air deflector is the top choice for its effortless magnetic installation and superior airflow control. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 AC air deflectors. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.